Welcome to PTC Asia 2021. I'm Amy from Hanover Milano Fairs Shanghai. Beside me is Jerry Xu, Vice President of JINZHOU WANYOU Mechanical Parts. Hi Jerry.
Hello Amy. Hello everyone. I'm Jerry from JINZHOU WANYOU. Today is the PTC Asia show. Welcome to our booth.
Hi Jerry, can you briefly introduce your company to our international friends?
Yeah, sure. Our company name is JINZHOU WANYOU. It belongs to the Wonder Group. Our company is the professional piston rod manufacturer. And we produce the piston rod over 400 million pieces. And our customer is from our international famous customer like ZF, Marelli, Tenneco, and Mando. And we have the 15 years history to supply the rods to the solver plant. This picture is the total review of our plant. For this building is our office, and on the blue roof is our plant. Like this plant, we have 5 plants in this area. And for this one is our laboratory. And our laboratory are certified by national certification by CNAS. We got CNAS. And also for the this certification is for the piston rod champion in China. We got this certification on the last year.
Jerry, what's your new product for this year?
Yeah, sure. It's the new product of our company. It's used in the forklift, and we use because previously we produced a very small piston rod, and in this year we can produce the diameter from the 28 millimeter to the 50 millimeter, and the length is lower than 1 meter.
Your company has very good products, Jerry.
Yeah.
But to be competitive, you must also be competitive on service part.
Yeah.
So what services you provide to your clients?
Yeah, because COVID-19, the traffic for the delivery is cut off, and we prepare in advance. We have set up the warehouse in Europe, in Poland, and another very important market is in the Mexico. So we also set up another warehouse in Mexico. So in Europe and in the North America, we have the warehouse to deliver the goods to our customer on time.
That's very smart to cover such important 2 markets with your international warehouse. I think in-time delivery is very important, especially in the pandemic season.
Yeah, because under these surroundings, deliver on time is the customer request. Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
So your company is one of the leading rod suppliers in China. How do you keep this leading position?
Because our company is the leader of the piston rod industry, and we have the big volume every year. In this year, we have produced 45 million piston rods for the worldwide customer. So we can give our customer very competitive price because we have the big volume and we reduce our cost. So we share the competitive price to our customer to make our customer another competitive level to their industry.
So you have a win-win solution with your clients together.
Yeah,
That's really good.
Yeah.